Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a product that was sent out to me. Now, this is a set of hearing aids. It does have some unique features. I personally don't use hearing aids, but I have people in my life that do. And when I was reached out to take a look at this product, I was very excited because I wanted to be able to give them some good feedback on this device to let them know if this is something that may help them with the issues they may be encountering when it comes to hearing. Now, we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you guys exactly what comes in the box. So, y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go take a look at what we get in the box. All right, guys, let's take a look at what we get in the box. As you guys can see, this is very well packaged. Box opens really easily. Inside, the first thing that you're going to be greeted with is going to be the starter manual. Now, this is going to walk you through a lot of the different features, including how to control the volume modes. All of those things are going to be informative, so definitely take time to read the manual. Also in the box, you're going to receive an accessories box as well as your earbuds. So we're going to come back to the earbuds, or should I say your hearing aids here in just a second. Let's pop out this accessory box and take a look at what comes in the accessory box. So first thing we're greeted with in this box is going to be a USB-C to USB-A cable. You also receive a cleaning brush and some different size little ear cups for your hearing aid. And you receive this wax guard and the tool, the removal tool for that as well in the box. Okay, here is the main event, which is going to be these earbuds, or should I say hearing aids again. If you look at the case here, you guys can see that there's the USB-C here underneath for charging it. You have your indicator lights right here in the front. That's going to let you know what your battery level is. When you open this up, when they are charged, you will see two blue indicator lights right here. If we get a little bit closer, you guys should be able to see the two little antennas that are on here. These are also marked right and left. So if you take one of these out, you will see the R on the right one and the L on the left one. And these just magnetically pop right back into the case. And with the antennas facing inward, as you guys see here, there's even a little channel there for those to go in, so you can quickly close those. So really nice. This magnetically closes. I do like that a lot. It feels nice in the hands. All right, so when it comes to the little earbuds, you can pop these guys off. They just come off really easily, as you guys can see, and then you can replace them with different size ones based on what you need. You also have that little wax. I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see that on this video, but there's that little wax guard in there, and you'll be able to remove that as well. So to replace these, you're just going to kind of pop these back on and then position them around just to make sure that they're fitting perfectly. So what we're going to do next is I'm going to try these on, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly what my experience is wearing them. All right, guys, so I'm going to try these. So again, like I showed you guys just a few moments ago, you have a left and right in this little case here. So this is the, just to be clear, this is the right unit, and you're just going to gently place these into your ears. You do not have to, really stuff them in or anything like that. And I'm just going to adjust these where they feel comfortable in my ears. All right, so I have that one in, and I'm going to tell you right now, I can automatically hear the noise or the sounds, the ambient sounds that are around me. So we're going to do the same thing with the left one. I'm just going to place it in my ear, and you're just going to gently move this around until you find, and you guys might hear a little bit of beeping. And when you hear that beeping, that's an indicator that you don't have them in securely or properly. So if you do hear that, don't, fret or anything. Just move them around until you can find that perfect placement for them. And if you, like I said, if you continually hear that beeping, just keep moving them until you get them right where they need to be. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm just adjusting them. There we go. Okay. So now I have both of them in, and I can hear the white noise in the room, and I can also hear my voice amplified. So something that I'm concerned about or curious about, I'm going to open and close this case to see what this sounds like. Okay, sounds good. Good, clear, snappy sound. And this is what they look like when they're in my ears. You guys can see they're not invisible, so people will be able to see them. You'll be able to see them if you're looking in a mirror or something like that. But for the most part, these are designed to amplify the ambient sounds around you. So if you're watching television or having a conversation with someone, that's what I believe these are really designed to be able to do. And it still allows me to be, environmentally aware. I can still hear the things that's in my room. I can hear my fan that's over here on the other side of the room. I can hear things that are going on outside. So I don't feel like it limits me in any type of way. So with that said, I think someone who may be dealing with some hearing challenges, this might be a great starting point to try and rectify that. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this product that was sent out to me, and hopefully the product is going to be great for you guys. And this video has been informative, as if nothing else, it's been entertaining. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.